Hello guys, welcome to Newzee. Video released by Spanish police and the customs office on Sunday show police storming a 20-meter fishing boat carrying over 2.9 tons of cocaine, reportedly worth more than 50 million euros. Customs office police boarded the fishing vessel of the Canary Islands on April 13 and arrested 5 members of the crew. A joint news release issued on Sunday by Spain's Interior Ministry and the Guardia Civil police said. The vessel AKT-1 was stopped by the Spanish coastguards in waters south of the Spanish archipelago and escorted to Las Palmas in Gran Canaria on Saturday. Video footage released by police showed officers removing sacks of cocaine hidden in the fishing boat's fuel tank. Spanish local newspaper earlier had reported that police had seized at least 2 tons of cocaine, estimated to have a street value of 50 million euros. The Joint Police and Customs Office news release did not specify the value of the seized drugs.